Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lohit. You are watching Lohit official YouTube channel. So guys, today I am going to explain you each and everything about JOSA counseling, how to register, what is choice filling, and all your doubts will be cleared in this video. So let us open the JOSA website. I will be leaving the link in the description, this JOSA website link. Say after opening the link, you will find like that online registration and choice filling. If you have registered in JEE Main 2021, you then use JEE Main 2021 application. You should enter your JEE Main application number and your password. Candidates who have not registered in the JEE Main 2021 and apply for JEE Advanced 2021, then use JEE Main 2020 application number. So guys, who have not registered in the JEE Main 2021 and you have registered the JEE Advanced 2021, you can use your JEE Main 2020 application number. If you have registered for JEE Main JEE Advanced 2021, then use JEE Advanced password. Otherwise, JEE Main 2021 password. After entering your JEE Main application number, enter password and enter the CAPTCHA security pin. So I am going to enter my application number and yes, click on the login. So like this the website will be opened. So in this you will here on the left side you will available candidate profile, choice available, choice filling, choice locking. So friends, for this counseling you can open this website in your mobile also. Not only computer is all needed, you can use your mobile also. Most of the students think that in mobile it is not possible. It is possible in mobile also. I have opened through mobile only. So in the left side you should check your profile, candidate profile. So by clicking the candidate profile, your profile will be open. Click on your details, application number, name, category, rank and OBC rank. Okay, and after that choice available. In this choice available, you will be available choices which colleges are available to you. So total something 460 or 450 colleges will be available. So in this you should keep counseling all these colleges by line wise, by according to your strategy and your yeah, okay. After choice filling, now you should go for choice filling. So choice filling is very important to us. In this choice filling only, you should keep your colleges which are according to your strategy, according to your groups. So in this choice filling, first you can select if you are qualified for advanced, you can get IITs, NITs, triple ITs and GFTIs, government funded technical institutes. GFTIs means. So then next you will able to see all the institutes of NIT, triple IT, IIT. IIT institutes have been seen for those students who are qualified for advanced only. GFTIs, so you can view here for total 462 available choices are there. So next, all programs. In this you can able to see all the programs. Program means your courses, CSE, EC, textile technology, smart manufacturing, quantitative economics, production industrial engineering, physics, mining engineer, integrated BTech, IT, life of science. So like that you can select one college and you can select one group in that college. So all the NITs, IITs, triple ITs are able to see in so in the search bar you can search your college and program. So I am clicking here NIT, and next I am going to click here the which are the institute I need in the NIT. So in NIT I want NIT Warangal. So I am searching NIT Warangal. So here it is NIT Warangal. So in the all programs, click on the group which you want. So I want chemical engineering. So chemical engineering. So here you can see in the right side. So I have filled the choices. So like this you should fill your choices. It is your wish which colleges to fill. Out of 462 you can keep 462, or you can keep only 10. Some of the people will keep only, if they have available choices 462, they will keep only 10, that according to their wish and their strategy they will keep. So all 462 will be available here. This choice filling is very, it plays the crucial role in this counseling. After choice filling, you need not to, if you, it's your wish to lock choice, you can lock the choices, choice locking. So here you can see total available choices 462, filled choices 411, unfilled 51. After choice filling, you can see your choice locking status will be unlocked. If you have not filled, here you can see locked. Important advice: so you are advised to fill up only those choices which you would indeed like to accept and join if ordered. Mindful choice filling will help you to avoid any unnecessary hassle of withdrawing from JOSA 21. This will also help the system to reduce seat vacancies. సో తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు కౌన్సిలింగ్ మొత్తం జోసా 6 రౌండ్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. 6 రౌండ్స్లో సపోజ్ 462లో ఒక 10 చాయిసెస్ పెట్టామనుకోండి. 10లో మీకు ఇప్పుడు NIT వరంగల్ కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, సో 10 చాయిసెస్ పెడితే మీకు NIT వరంగల్ కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్లో సీట్ అలాట్ అయింది అంటే, ఇప్పుడు సీట్ అలాట్ అయిందంటే ఇంకా మీరు తప్పకుండా అందులోకి వెళ్ళాల్సిందే. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్కి మీకు ఎలా ఉండదు, మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ రౌండ్లో మిమ్మల్ని ఎగ్జిట్ చేసేసారు, మీరు ఇంకా ఎలా ఉండదు మీకు. మీరు ఇంకా NIT వరంగల్ కెమికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ వచ్చి అలా సీట్ అలాట్ అయిందంటే మీరు ఫీ కట్టి ఇంకా డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అప్లై సబ్మిట్ చేసి ఇంకా అందులో జాయిన్ అవ్వాల్సిందే. ఇంకా దాని నెక్స్ట్ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది మీకు ఇంకా NIT ఈ జోసాలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడానికి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అడ్వైజ్. So this choice filling plays the key role in this counseling. So if you are not allotted in the first round seat, so you should wait till the 6th rounds. So after choice filling 22, సో మీకు October 22nd and October 25th ఈ 24th మాక్ సీట్ అలాట్మెంట్ 1 ఉంటుంది, మాక్ సీట్ అలాట్మెంట్ 2. అంటే ఈ మాక్ సీట్, దిస్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద చాయిస్ ఫిల్డ్ బై యూ candidates on October 21st is the last date, and your choices will be logged on the, and seat round allotment will be on October 27th by 10 AM. So seat allotment will be there. So on 25th October 5 o'clock the choice filling will be logged and ends. Candidates registration and choice filling for academic programs under JOSA 2021 ends. And auto system, so auto system it will logged. If you want you can log now also based on your wish. So on November 1st seat allotment will be, by this only all process will be continued. You should fill, once you fill your choice filling they will be logged and you have no chance to fill for the next 5 rounds or 4 rounds or 3 rounds, 2 rounds, next 5 rounds. After seat allotment you should pay your online fee payment and the documents uploaded responsible by the candidate to query. So all this process will be continued till November 18th. So this is the video friends. If you like